mosenindo Solmon Orimba mane to apoya nono otimne alam kanisa mar Anglican kaunti ni ma Kisumu dichieng' ma kawuono niendi. Nyasi maket kod mano endo notelie kod gavana ma kaunti nendo ma Kisumu ngire Peter Nyang'nyong'o. Justice Adoyo nigi ler mathoth.
Ne en lit kod kuyo motamre gi nono e kanisa nero mar Anglican milimani Kisumu e kinde ma sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu koro ne obago alam mogik ne waziri Salmon Orimba mabende nowito ngimane apoya nono bang' tuore kuom kinde machuok. Orimba mabende ringre ne ochopo e paw ndeke ma Kisumu sa achiel okinyi ma kawuono igeno mar kowo kariyo mare mogik kiny e pargi mantie gwenge kuma Kajulu, Kisumu East Sub County, Kisumu County. Ngire Peter Nyang'nyong'o en gavana sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu.
He was thoughtful in his judgment, deliberate in his planning, and remarkably clear about the path he wished to pursue. When Salmon asked, you certain to be done with intelligence, with
jatije no chiwre ne tije tiyo kod dimbruok maliche mokalo.
He did not seek a moral recognition. He simply focused on his work before him and on serving the people of Kisumu with honesty and faith. And I can tell you, without hesitation, that in every responsibility entrusted to him, Salmon never deserved good. Indeed, if life were to grant me the opportunity to assemble another cabinet in another lifetime, Solmon Orimba is one person I would gladly call again to serve.
Dok mabedo sir machiegni kod jalupne Laktar Matthew Chengo Willi.
And as you have been told, and as you have witnessed, Waziri worked really well. Waziri built bridges. Waziri had friends from across. He was such a humble soul, very, very friendly. And I think the testament of how grounded he was is in his second appointment by the governor as a minister. So far, by the way, from the initial administration, he was so far the longest standing. Of course, George had been there cabinet from the initial
kata kamano e kinde lamno ero jalup gavana mano Laktar Matthew Willi wacho ni gima biro dhi nyime kotelo e Kisumu County kaendi ka gavana Nyong'o osedhi yweyo.
Many of us around Governor Nyong'o believe, that once his tenure is out by the Constitution, there must be some of us in the political stage, because he's a major personality in this country, in this continent, in the world. We would like, and I'm sure he'll be happy about that, to see some of his mentees carrying on with the good work like he has done in many years to come. It's unfortunate that one of his mentees, Solmon Orimba, will never live to do something, and he's learned quite a bit. His last was actually in the governor's office.
Solmon Orimba ne paki koda jotend migepe mopogore opogore mabende ne yore nyasi maket kod maendi kane gipuoye kaka jatelo nero mabende ne ong'e tije kendo tiyo kod bidhruok mamalo. Waziri Kennedy Okoth en jatend migao mochung' ne weche mag pur e sirkand kaunti ma Kisumu.
So generally we have lost a friend, a very dear friend to us, a very dear colleague to us, somebody whom you could consult because of his experience, because of his availability, and because he was very, very approachable.
Nekala TV kuoke Kisumu County and Justice Adoyo.
Gili podo mokilo kanyako Justice Adoyo bende makela giku